Hey, you cool cats and kittens. How's your day going? Give a like if you've watched Tiger King on Netflix. Did Carol Baskin kill her husband? Or not? Did she sardine oil him up or what? Let me know down in the comments. So this is my hand cream that I made for my mom for her birthday. It's coconut lime verbena. This is the wax, emulsifying wax. And in the jug right in the middle is the distilled water. And that was the mango butter. This is the stearic acid. I forgot to record, obviously. I put some glycerin and some vitamin E, and I put coconut lime verbena fragrance in it. Wanted to show how creamy it is. So in this hand cream, I totally messed up and forgot to add a preservative. So I have to remake this for my mom. Anytime you use water, you have to put a preservative in there because it'll go bad fast. Faster than what you could use it. So always use a preservative. And I made exactly 8 ounces, and I scraped a whole bottle for a little tiny bit for myself to test out. And it's really nice still though. Hope you enjoy. Alright everybody, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to watch more. Join me in my journey to grow my business. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Naturally Travai. See you later, you cool cats and kittens.